Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today we're going to be making this really cute Valentine photo frame, and it is made from things from the Dollar Tree and also from things that I had in my stash. So stick around and we'll see what we need for this project. So the things that you'll need for this project is an 11 by 14 frame that I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. Also from the Dollar Tree, you will need 2 of these Valentine boxes that have the clear frame on the inside. You will need some red spray paint or red regular craft paint. You will need some ribbons. I chose this bigger red satin ribbon from the Dollar Tree and this gingham ribbon from the Dollar Tree. These are from the Valentine section. You will need hot glue, a paintbrush if you're using your craft paint, some scissors, some blue tape to mask off the frame on the box, some burlap, and I had this from either Joann's or Walmart. And then you will need 2 pictures that you can put into your little frames that are on the box. So I have these 2 of my daughter when she was younger. So why don't we get started on this project? First thing you want to do is open up your frame, and I've already noticed here that my frame is broken there, so I'm going to have to hot glue that together, but I think it'll be fine once I paint it. And you'll want to take out the back, and look, this is in bad shape. Oh well, it'll be fine. Pull it out of the back here. And you can get rid of this part, but save the cardboard because they'll be covering this with the burlap. And now take out the glass. And you will want to paint this, either spray paint it or use your acrylic paint. And as well, you will want to take your 2 box lids off and prep them for painting. So I'm going to use some blue tape and just line around the edge of the frame that's in there. With your pieces prepped with the tape, I ran out of blue tape, so I found some with green tape. And then I went ahead and glued this down here. It doesn't look the greatest, but I think it'll be fine once I paint it. So I am ready to spray paint. I'm going to go ahead and take this outside spray paint, and I'll be right back. Will be to take your burlap and lay it out flat. Take the cardboard piece that was inside the frame and lay it on top with a little bit of a border around, about 1.5 inches probably. And go ahead and cut out your burlap. And then what you want to do is pull this tight and go ahead and glue all the way around the edges. step will be to take your 2 ribbons and cut approximately 40 inches long, just a little over a yard. I'm going to go ahead and bring my wider ribbon around, and it's approximately 2 inches from the bottom of my burlap piece here, and I went ahead and laid the gingham ribbon underneath that, and I went all the way around the back like that. So I'm going to go ahead and tie these 2 together on the front into a nice little spray of ribbon ties. And then you can adjust them to make them look the way you want them to look. If you wanted to do a bow, you could, but I kind of like just having the tails. It just makes it a little more, I don't know, a little more rustic. And then I'm going to trim this off at an angle, or you could do 2 little tails on there as well. And then cut this off. Just like that. So the next thing you want to do is take your frame that you painted and go ahead and fit your burlap piece back in. And if you are not hanging this on the wall and would see it, you could go ahead and cover it with some more burlap, or you could actually go ahead and paint the back of this, but where I'm going to be putting it, it's not going to be shown, so I don't need to do that. I'm actually going to put it on a book stand. So the next part that you'll want to do is pull off your tape on here, and we are going to go ahead and put our pictures in. I'm going to move this off to the side. And it looks like I got a little bit of the paint here, so I'm going to go grab a little wipey and try and get some of that off. It shouldn't be a problem. So now what you want to do is take your pictures and cut them down so they'll fit inside, and place them where you want them, and go ahead and add some glue, or you can use like Scotch tape and tape it down so it doesn't move around in there. But I'm just going to use a little bit of my hot glue here. The last thing you need to do is take your hearts, and you're going to be gluing them right on the top part like that with your hot glue. Here's one final look at the project. I think it turned out super cute. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Happy Valentine's Day. God bless. Bye.